to set up a multifunctional baby high chair. So I'll insert a picture of the design so that you know exactly what we are setting up. When you open the box, this is everything in the box. You'll be getting all these items that we are displaying over here. That's the manual. It comes with a manual. Best believe that if you watch this video to the end, you will set up your multifunctional high chair with ease. No stress. Just watch exactly how we are going to set it up. Do the exact same thing and you are good to go. This is everything in the box that we are showing you. You make sure that your box contains everything. Okay, so that's the box. The box is empty. Let's begin our setup. Begin the setup. We are going to section each part so that you know which one is used for the base and which one is used for the top part of it. We have sectioned the items. So this is everything for table. The table side is the one on your right, and then everything for the chair is the one on the left. So these are the items that you need for the table. Okay, everything you see on your right is for the table and everything you see on your left is for the chairs. Please note that the bars that hold the two items together are of two different sizes. So the smaller one is for the chair and then the bigger one is for the table. Okay, so we are going to start assembling the table. Let's set up our table. Make sure that the parts that have the black and where the screws are your inside parts. When you are done putting everything together, you make sure to tighten the locks so that your base will be steady. This base is the same as the table, so you make sure you tighten everything so that it will be steady. You are done. You are halfway done. The next thing will be to put on your play table, which is multi-purpose. So it can be a Lego play table, or when you turn it, you flip the other side. It can be a regular table for them to eat, play, and do every other thing right as they grow. Okay, so we are done with our base. We are going to start setting up. Let's set up the chair. Just watch exactly how we are doing it and do it the exact same way. You should arrive at the same results we arrive at once you do this. The tray is a double tray, so you can take one off and then you just clean it up and bring it back to them. See, it's a double tray, so you have 2 trays in one. Okay, so they can either sit upright in the chair. In the chair they can sit upright. It's adjustable, so they can come all the way up. Come all the way up, or go all the way down. So come all the way up. Okay, so let's turn the back of the chair and show you exactly what we are moving, so you see how to adjust your chair. Okay, so that is exactly what we are moving. When you pull it upwards, it will come down, or you pull it down and goes up. Okay, so that is what we are pulling to adjust it. If you do that, yours would also be adjustable. Okay, so let's continue. Table. There is an orange knob right over here. That is what we are pressing. The orange knob here. When you press it, yes, when you press it, it will make the chair fit on the table, and then it will not separate. Okay, so this is what you should have when you are done fixing it. All right, from here we are going to show you the multiple ways in which you can use this feeding chair. Pretty easy to move around. See, very easy to move around. You can move it around anywhere and anyhow. So when you are done fixing it, this is what you should get. Okay, so we are going to show you the multiple ways in which it can be used. You can take off the tray. Like that, your tray is separated, and then you separate the table from the chair so that they can use it as a table and a chair. So we are fully done. Thank you for watching this video. See you in our next video. Bye.